Welcome to Carl's Aquarium. Evil puppy Bailey and all.
Okay. Talk.
How come nobody ever says that to me except when they got the camera turned on?
Why is this one so upside down?
I don't know. Are you sure?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, so in the interlude what we did was we got a valve here, a T here, a valve there. We're warming up a piece of hose.
Because you forgot the...
No, because you couldn't find the heat gun. I never forget anything.
Okay.
Okay.
And what's instead of bot?
Fritzie's lunch!
Because the customer says...
Help yourself to anything in the fridge.
So I boiled one egg.
See, we had to boil the water anyhow. Welcome back. Do you know what famous actor got his start on Welcome Back, Cotter?
Hmm.
John Travolta. He was Vinnie Barbarino, a sweat hog. Mr. Cotter. Or was that the other guy? Okay, so we're almost done. In an hour and a half, we'll be out of here. Or actually sooner. Depends how fast his water is.
Fast.
It's got fast water?
Yep.
Good. Because he had to leave to go to his Mother's Day. And the mother phoned him already.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, you can take your egg.
Well, I can't take that one while I'm holding this camera.
No. That I can understand. Okay. Except this. We're going to hook it onto the pump. The names have all changed since you've hung around. Dreams are the same since you've been around. Who'd have thought they'd lead you? Who'd have thought they'd lead you back where we need you? We tease them a lot when we got them on the spot.
What's the title of that song?
Welcome back. Welcome back, Cotter.
Oh, I thought you just invented that song.
Well, it's nice to know that you think I'm so brilliant and talented that I could invent a song for a hit TV show back in the 60s. And there we go. Alright, well, let's get all this crap out of here. We're going to slide it back into position.
Okay.
Add some aqua minerale, also known as water.
Okay.
Bye! We got the water running in it. We filled the two corner overflows. You always fill them first because you want to give it some time to set and see if you have a leakage or anything before you get too carried away. But so far, so dry. Yay, Carl! Yay, yay, rah, rah! Carl the Great, Carl the Wonderful, Carl.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna fill her up, and then before we go, we'll show you it running and how everything's all boo tickety. All right, bye-bye.